Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add number list to a PDF file using Foxit PDF editor. Open your PDF file. I will add number list to this PDF file. Click on this edit option and here you will find this edit text option. Click here. Now click on your text box. This text box now showing and this right side one arrow click here and for one showing. Now drag your mouse and select your text and this is number list option. Click here. This is numbering. This is number list now added. Also I'll add number list here. This number list and see this a number list now added and finally click this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.